This application requires one full strip of KT tape and one half strip. Before applying, hold your hand with palm up and wrist extended back. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by folding the tape 2 inches from one end and cutting 2 triangles out of the fold, creating 2 diamond-shaped holes in the tape. Tear the paper backing across the holes and place it over the middle and ring fingers. With no stretch, apply the anchor on the back of the hand. With palm up, fold the tape back and pull the paper backing off as the strip is adhered over the wrist with a light stretch. Apply the opposite anchor with no stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the tape to improve adhesion. Next, prepare your half strip by tearing the paper backing in its center. In the same position, apply the middle of the half strip with moderate stretch across the crease of your wrist, ending on the other side of your wrist. Apply the opposite anchor with no stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.